Hi guys, Jesby in the UK, shooting a quick little update video for you regarding a program I mentioned in my video from, I think it was 2 days ago, where I basically did a video about the arbitrage bot, and I did mention in it that I was going to show a little video about my sort of favourite program at the moment in terms of passive income. Now, with a lot of the bots, some of them go to 2.8%. The arbitrage bot on the Bitcoin Cash that I was showing was actually running at, I think, 1.5%. Actually, if I can show you that video just to refresh the memory, that was the one I had on the channel, Time for a New Bot, and we just went in that video showing you exactly what the bot's about. It's basically a Telegram bot. They offer, obviously, Bitcoin, I think it's Litecoin, you've got Ripples there now, what else? We've got Ethereum, where they run, Bitcoin runs I think for 120 days, the others all run for about 99 days, where providing you put the minimum amount of deposits in, which are shown on the site, you obviously earn a daily profit on those, and that's paid back into the bot. Now what you've got to understand, the percentage you earn also includes the capital back, so you don't get your original lump sum and this 1.5% back. It also includes the capital, which is pretty standard in all these programs. But I'll put the link for this video again below, just in case you haven't seen it, and you can watch that one. But obviously with a lot of these ones that are on Telegram, for instance, I'll just show you on the Telegram thing, I'm also in Recycle Bot, been with them a good few months now, and earn really well out of that. They were paying around about 2.8, but a lot of it's now gone over to a web-based platform where the rate has gone down. I believe currently it's around about sort of 1.9. The only major difference is the period is extended, so you get a 90-day run on their bots now as well. But you'll see here with the arbitrage bot, I've got another credit there. So if I do my balance, there we go, that's now gone up. What I'm going to do here, guys, I put in 0.25 on BCH. So the plan will be, once I get to probably 0.2, I'll just do a test withdraw, providing that is the minimum. I'll have to check that out when I go to do it. And then we'll obviously see that go over to my Exodus wallet, so I'll start drawing out of that one. But generally with these bots, whilst you're in there, the trick has always been to sort of compound and just build it up, and then, you know, gradually start taking bits out of the platform. So obviously I did the one about the arbitrage bot, but did say I would come back to my passive trades. Now the two guys who are the directors here, Darren Bradbury, I've been involved with Darren on other programs. When I say involved, I've been, you know, somebody who's participated in other programs he's had online for a few years. Really sound guy, very transparent, regular communication to all the members of the different sites that are basically the holding companies, Polaris Universal Limited, and they have a couple of other different companies or divisions within that. My passive trades is just one of them. It's been going around about sort of 3 months now, and basically the premise here is that you can earn passively every day up to 1.25%. Now this is done with real trading going on. They have an experienced trading team that are trading each day and generating the profits that you'll get paid back out of this program. Now it does say up to 1.25%. It's averaging at the moment around about 1% a day. I'll take you into the back office in a moment, just so you can see where I'm at with it. Basically the site isn't exactly super sexy. It's Darren even mentioned in a recent YouTube video that it was using a script that previously would be suitable for, if you can remember, the rev share programs that used to be around, where you would put in and basically they sold advertising, you had to click on them to earn some extra money. Now, although this script is there, you don't have to click on any adverts to qualify for anything, etc. but the terminology is still there from those days, where we're actually buying $5 ad packs, if you like. Now, effectively, what happens, those $5 packs mature once they hit 125% of the value, which would take roughly 4 months, because you're earning, say, 1% a day. For every dollar that goes in, there is a commission thing here where they play on a referral program, so there's 11% commission split over 2 levels. So effectively, you've got 89 cents out of every dollar is then what goes into the pot, which has to be traded. Now, to achieve the 125%, so you're getting, the $1.25 back on that 89%, it effectively means you've got to be hitting, I think it's around 40% over that period. So that means an average of 10% a month to hit that target. Now, that works down, if you break it down daily, you need to be hitting 0.33% roughly. Now, the guys at the moment, as I say, they're delivering back about 1%, and the trading team they've got, even in this bear market, have been hitting, even at the lowest sort of points, sort of 12 to 15% monthly. So they're more than covering that 10% we need to be generating what we need to get the payback. So definitely sustainable, guys. Really transparent. They do regular little video updates, and all the members in my passive trades also have access to the trading signals, so you can actually see what's being traded and how the profits are being made, as it were. And you could even go to an exchange and almost do them yourself. There is a trading school in here as well. If you want to learn more about trading on your own, you can do that. For me, I'm just looking for a passive income out of this, so I don't have the time, to be honest, to be trading myself, even though I know it can be very profitable, and I know other people that do it. So as I say, let me go into the back office. Now, if I show you a wallet balance I have at the moment, if it's going to go through, there we go. Right, so I've also had another little deposit there. Yeah, I've got, it's saying 120 spendable. Basically, what I sent over was $95 earlier today, because I want to buy some more packs. I've currently running, I think it's about 100 and something odd in packs. Let's just have a look. Passive trade packs, my ad packs. Let's have a look. There we go. So that just kind of shows you the dates of the purchases. So we're going back to 2nd of Jan was when I bought the first 2. So we've got that's 11, 12, 13, 20, 21 odd packs there at the moment. So we were at about, what's that? That's $105. So with the 95, I just want to kick that up to 200. The plan here, guys, is bit by bit, I'm just going to build this up to a $500 ad pack purchase. But I prefer, when I'm transferring crypto, to do smaller amounts, just in case anything glitches on the blockchain network or something goes wrong. You don't want to have sort of $500 just disappear into the ether out there, into the blockchain, and not to be found. So I'd rather do small chunks. So right, instead of waffling, let me just go back into here. So I want to buy ad packs. And you can see there, shares expire at 125% and no surfing required to earn. So if my maths is right, I want to buy 19, so that should give me 95, and I'll be taking that out of, well, actually I've got the extra 5 there that's come, that's the profit I've got on it. So let's do 20 packs, because it's going to come out of there anyway. So we're going to say buy now. It's going to say, do you really want to purchase this amount of shares, which I do. Let's have a think about it. So as I say, the extra $5 there was from profits I'd had on the other ones building up over the last. I think I was averaging around about $1 a day over the last few days anyway, with that 100 in there. So that's that. So if I go back to the trade packs, it should now show me. My internet's a bit slow tonight, guys. There you go. So the 20's just been added onto that. So now I have got, let's do that again, 11, that's 12, 13, 20. I'll have 31 packs in there. So let's go back to my account. And account overview. Now the beauty here is, guys, also when you get the profits through, I've earned already 21.20 out of this. You're not forced to rebuy or anything like that. So as you're getting these profits through, I think the minimum withdrawal is you've got to do a $10 withdrawal out. That's the only sort of condition, if you like. But other than that, that profit that comes back, you can withdraw that straight back in Bitcoin to your Exodus wallet, Coinbase, wherever you want to send that. So you're not restricted on buying it. My thing at the moment, I'm looking to do sort of compounding on this, because the power of sort of compounding can grow your wallet amount quite considerably. I've got every faith in the guys here over at My Passive Trades. As I say, you can see what's going on in the background. You know where the profits are coming from. You're not relying on anyone else. Even if nobody else joined the business now, this will still go on, because the funds they've got there, it is basically real trading that's generating these profits. So it's not reliant on other people joining the business, and when they pay in, that's how you get paid. I mean, back in the day, that's how a lot of these sort of rev share things kind of worked, and then eventually the bubble burst on them. So this is a really beautiful system. You've got actual real trading going on, experienced trading team, and this is a nice way of getting involved passively and not having to watch the markets yourself, etc. But as I say, if you're into that and want to learn about it and everything, there is a trading school program here where you can get involved in that. But I won't go into explaining that now, guys, because it's not something I'm currently doing at the moment. So if you wanted to do that, obviously you could sort of email support once you're a member in the program. You can sign up and get a little feel for the site and go around and check all the various elements out. But obviously, if you want to start earning passively out of it, you do need to make that initial purchase, and it's a minimum buy-in of just $5 to get started with one pack, guys. But as I say, link is below if you want to join it. What I will do, I'll keep this updated, regular little updates on My Passive Trades, just so you can see what's going on with it. I think on the next one, once I hit sort of $10, I'll build it up to a $10 thing and do an actual withdrawal, so you can see that you can get your money out of here and it goes straight back into your Bitcoin wallet. So that's what we're going to do, guys. And with this sort of amount I'll be getting back on the commissions on this at the moment, that should only take another 5 days. So where are we? Saturday today. So I'll shoot another video sort of Thursday, Friday of next week, just doing a withdrawal on the profit that I've made over the week. Anyway, guys, I hope the video was informative. As I say, this is my sort of steady Eddie now. I'm quite happy to be getting 1% a day. I don't need programs that are going to promise, anywhere from 3%. And believe it or not, there's some out there offering 150% upwards daily and all this sort of nonsense. I want something sustainable that's going to be here for the long term and just deliver a sensible growth. And I know I can count on getting that money back out. So My Passive Trade, guys, links below. Do read the disclaimers and everything, and if you've got any questions, just shoot me a message. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.